And revival is taking what is dead or what is nearly dead and bringing it back to life. God wants his church alive with old people, with young people. He said, I'll pour out my spirit upon the young and the old, the men and the women, the male servants, the female servants, he says the sons and the daughters. He says the old and the young. He said, my old men will dream dreams, and the young men and women will see visions. Who has a vision for your life, a vision to make an impact, a vision to make a difference? Who's seen a dream that hasn't come to pass yet, but you